Hi guys, Nihal here from Solaire Connect. Today I'm going to just talk you through the bypass switch on your system. So in case there's a fault with your inverter or battery and you're not getting power delivered to your house, this switch is used to bypass the inverter giving supply and get your system connected back onto the grid. So it's located in your AC isolator or maybe in your switchboard, and you can see that it is set to inverter at the moment. If in the case that the inverter has failed and you're not getting power to your house, this is a three-way switch. The middle section will be the off position where you're not going to get power anyway, and the bottom position will be the grid position. So if you flick that to grid, and that's it. Now your house is now drawing its power from the grid, and your inverter can be scheduled for maintenance work to fix it, and this can be switched back on once the inverter is back into production. Thank you, have a sunny day, and take care.